Hello. I'm Louisa. This is Lily. Say hello, Lily. Lily had her first trip to Ikea the other week. Ended up spending far too much money. We thought we'd show you some of the things we bought. Do you want to show all the people what we bought, Lily? We bought some things for Mummy. I know. And we bought some things for Lily, didn't we? Yeah. So, things for Mummy. We bought, yeah, I know. Some vases. A 2-pack of little vases. And these were only £1, but with an Ikea Family card, you can get them for 90p. They're going to go in the kitchen with flowers in, aren't they? We also bought napkins, a couple of designs of napkins. They're usually 50p, and we got them for 45p each with a family card. And something very important in a few weeks, when she starts crawling, cupboard catches. And these are £2.50 normally, but £1.50 with an Ikea card. There's 5 cupboard catches in 1 pack. And we bought a couple of them, didn't we, Lily? Is that nice chewing that? And we also bought other little things. These little ice lolly moulds. Pack of 6. And they are 90p. For only 6 ice lolly moulds. Yeah. And then things for Lily to have when she's not eating food yet, are you? Just all the toys. But in a few weeks' time, when we start weaning, most of the food will probably be on the high chair, but we also have to play with. I'm going to show them, Lily. Some little bowls. Yeah. I know you like them, don't you? You already know what to do with them. 90p for 6 bowls. Yeah, I know. There's no food in them yet. You also have, along in the same range, 90p for 6 plates, which Lily has also played with quite a lot. Would you like to play with the plates and the bowls during the video? Yeah? Ooh. And other little things we picked up. Some very soap dispenser. That was only, let's have a look, how much was that? £4. And we've got 2 bathrooms in our house, and that's going to go in the guest bathroom. I know, you like that. It's clear, isn't it? And shiny. Yeah, you can't eat it though. You cannot eat it. A few months ago, one of our casserole dishes broke, so we added a casserole dish. This was £4.50. Can go dishwasher safe, oven safe, standard casserole dish really. We also got, you can never have too much of it, wrapping paper. 3 rolls, 3 meters each in each roll for £4. I have some nice designs in Ikea, don't they? We also got a roll of this design of wrapping paper, which has little creatures on it. Foxes, owls, owl on that side there. And that roll was only £1.25 for 5 meters, wasn't it? It's quite boring things. We'll get to the exciting things in a minute. Boring thing is a laptop stand. It took me 4 months to work out how to use the computer whilst breastfeeding her. And that stand will come in very, very helpful for reaching the keyboard. This is all very boring. but we do get some exciting stuff in a minute. We got a little rug with green and red stripes, and that's going in our conservatory, and that's £1.75. Didn't want to pay a lot of money for a rug that's going to fade in a conservatory, so that's perfect. We also bought Lily a box to store toys in. That is a collapsible box, which is blue and green and grey, so quite nice colours, and that's £6. And then on to the more exciting things for you. So as well as all the stuff for me, we also bought some things for Lily. Now, Daddy says we have too many cushions, doesn't he? But that's not really a thing. And who can resist these anyway? So we have Mr. Sunshine. Even better than Mr. Sunshine is Mr. Cloud. And he again is only £6. Even Lily likes him. We also got a bookshelf, didn't we? For the living room. And we're going to put library books on that. But that is still in its big white box and hasn't been constructed yet. But the best thing of all that we got, and I'm sure there's lots of people out there who'd like this, and he's only £5, is Mr. Dinosaur. Rawr! Rawr! So that's it. Are you going to say goodbye, Lily? Bye bye. Until next time.